see that you like to follow directions, and I see that you want to build wealth. So I want to formally invite you to the training, and I just wanted to give you guys a little short video on how this training will go. So I will not always look like this in the training, just FYI. Just dressed up nice for you guys tonight, but I wanted to let you know that this training is going to be groundbreaking, because a lot of individuals may know bits and pieces of how to begin in real estate with $0, but they don't know how to put it all together. And so that is where I come in. And if you don't know who I am Tiffany DeAndrea, the founder of EncourageMillions.com, and I thank you so much for I also, in addition to being the founder of EncourageMillions.com, sometimes I get on camera and I can't talk. But I want to thank you for signing up for this training.